The idiom is a ballpark figure. The meaning of this idiom is an approximate estimate or number. अनुमानित संख्या. The example of this idiom is I know you can't tell me the exact cost, just give me a ballpark figure. The next idiom is a blessing in disguise. The meaning of this idiom is an apparent misfortune that eventually has good results. A hidden favor. दुख के भेष में सुख. The example of this idiom is losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it pushed me to start my own business. The next idiom is a blue-eyed boy. The meaning of this idiom is one who is favorite. आंखों का तारा, बहुत प्यारा. The example of this idiom is she was a good mother to us all, but there was no blinking the fact that Ram was her blue-eyed boy. The next idiom is a bolt from the blue. The meaning of this idiom is something unexpected and unpleasant, a complete surprise, आकस्मिक घटना. The example of this idiom is news of the disaster hit the nation like a bolt from the blue. The idiom is a bone of contention. The meaning of this idiom is cause of dispute or quarrel, point of an argument, झगड़े का कारण. The example of this idiom is grandfather's will was a bone of contention for the whole family. The idiom is a bull in a china shop. The meaning of this idiom is a clumsy person in a delicate situation. शीश महल में बंदर, लापरवाह व्यक्ति. The example of this idiom is the new housemaid is a bull in a china shop. The idiom is a cash cow. The meaning of this idiom is a business or product that generates a lot of profit. ऐसा व्यवसाय जो बहुत मुनाफा कमाता है. The example of this idiom is excise duty is a great cash cow for the government. The idiom is a diamond in the rough. The meaning of this idiom is someone or something with potential or talent but lacking training or polish. कोरा हीरा, छिपे गुणों वाला व्यक्ति. The example of this idiom is this show is one of those diamonds in the rough, a wonderful gem that almost no one has noticed. The idiom is a dime a dozen. The meaning of this idiom is very common and of no particular value. Anything that is common and easy to get. कौड़ी के भाव बेहद सस्ते. The example of this idiom is novels like this one are a dime a dozen. Write something original. The idiom is a drop in the ocean. The meaning of this idiom is a very small part of something big or whole, a quantity too small to make an impact. ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा, बहुत कम. The example of this idiom is his fees is a drop in the ocean compared with the real cost of broadcasting. The idiom is a fish out of water. The meaning of this idiom is an uncomfortable, unfamiliar, or unsuitable position or situation. A person out of accustomed, असहज परिस्थिति. The example of this idiom is he was something of a fish out of water here. The next idiom is a hornet's nest. The meaning of this idiom is an unpleasant, difficult, or troublesome situation, raising controversy. अप्रिय स्थिति. The example of this idiom is his remarks about the lack of good women tennis players stirred up a hornet's nest. The next idiom is a man of the world. The meaning of this idiom is highly experienced in many fields. एक अनुभवी और परिपक्व व्यक्ति. The example of this idiom is they would grow up to a true man of the world, educated and experienced in magnificent ways. The next idiom is a needle in a haystack. The meaning of this idiom is something that is very difficult to locate, attempting something impossible. घास के ढेर में सुई, ऐसी चीज जिसे ढूंढने में परेशानी हो. The example of this idiom is finding the piece of paper I need in this huge pile of documents is like looking for or trying to find a needle in the haystack. The idiom is a piece of cake. The meaning of this idiom is a very easy task. बच्चों का खेल, आसान काम. The example of this idiom is Landing this type of aircraft is a piece of cake for an experienced pilot. The next idiom is a show of hands. The meaning of this idiom is a vote in which people raise their hands to express agreement or opinion. हाथ उठाकर मतदान करना. The example of this idiom is her re-election to the committee was defeated by a show of hands. The next idiom is a skeleton in the cupboard. The meaning of this idiom is an embarrassing fact to be kept secret or something embarrassing or shameful. Sarvnak Gupt Bhed. Now, the example of this idiom is they say every family has a skeleton in the cupboard. The idiom is a snowball effect. The meaning of this idiom is a situation in which the results or consequences of an action grow at an increasingly faster rate over time. एक ऐसी स्थिति जिसमें किसी परिणाम के परिणाम या परिणाम समय के साथ तेजी से बढ़ते हैं. The example of this idiom is the more you study, the more you learn. It is like a snowball effect. The next idiom is a storm in a teacup. The meaning of this idiom is big fuss over a small matter. A lot of anger, excitement or worry about trivial things. बात का बतंगड़. The example of this idiom is don't worry, it is probably a storm in a teacup. The next idiom is a wet blanket. The meaning of this idiom is a person who discourages enjoyment or enthusiasm. Someone who prevents other people from having fun. कबाब में हड्डी, मजाक किरकिरा करने वाला. The example of this idiom is he was such a wet blanket at the party that they never invited him again. The next idiom is add fuel to the fire. The meaning of this idiom is making things worse. Worsen the difficult situation. आग में घी डालना, किसी के गुस्से को और अधिक भड़काना. The example of this idiom is Rohan only added fuel to the fire when he accused the other team of cheating. The next idiom is all in all. The meaning of this idiom is on the whole, kul milakar. The example of this idiom is sure, it rained on our vacation, but all in all, we had a great time. The next idiom is in character. The meaning of this idiom is acting according to one's role or persona. अपने चरित्र के अनुसार व्यवहार करना. The example of this idiom is it is not in the character for Paul to miss an important meeting. The next idiom is out of favor with him. The meaning of this idiom is have lost his support. समर्थन खो देना. The example of this idiom is she found herself out of favor with the party's leadership. The next idiom is at sea. The meaning of this idiom is to be confused or uncertain about someone or something. पूरी तरह से उलझन में होना. The example of this idiom is when it comes to using technology, she is completely at sea. The next idiom is an open book. The meaning of this idiom is one that held no secret, one about whom it is easy to know everything, straightforward and honest. खुली किताब, बिना किसी रहस्य का. The example of this idiom is her mind was an open book to him. The next idiom is apple of one's eye. The meaning is someone very precious or dear. आंखों का तारा बहुत प्यारा. The example is his youngest daughter was the apple of his eye. The idiom is comparing apples and oranges. The meaning is two unlike things or people. Unequal comparison. दो अलग चीजें. The example is Aditi said, you can't compare the death of your pet with the death of my nephew. It's like comparing apples and oranges. The idiom is armchair experts. The meaning is a person who knows a lot about a subject but has a little or no experience or real understanding of it. बिना अनुभव के विशेषज्ञों की तरह ज्ञान होना. The example is he can give you a lot of advice about the driving, but he is just an armchair expert. The idiom is as clear as mud. The meaning is impossible to understand. समझना असंभव है. The example is the computer manual was clear as mud, so we stopped reading it. The idiom is As easy as pie. The meaning is something that is very easy to do. बहुत आसान काम. The example is using the computer was as easy as pie. The idiom is at a crossroads. The meaning is a point in life where his decisions will have long term consequences. दोहराए पर महत्वपूर्ण संधि या निर्णय का समय. The example is I am at crossroads in the choosing the best scheme for me. The idiom is at beck and call. The meaning is at his disposal. To be dominated by someone. Be always ready at her service. इशारे पर नाचने वाला, दूसरों के संकेत पर चलना. The example is he expects his employees to be at his beck and call day and night. The idiom is at sixes and sevens. The meaning is in disorder or confusion. अव्यवस्था या भ्रम में. The example is everything is at sixes and sevens at the railway's platform. The idiom is at the drop of a hat. The meaning is without any hesitation, instantly, without having planned beforehand. बहुत तेजी से, बिना किसी हिचकिचाहट के तुरंत घटित होना. The example is people will file lawsuits at the drop of hat these days. The idiom is at the 11th hour. The meaning is at the very last moment, just before the deadline, आखिरी मौके पर. The example is work done at the 11th hour leads to imperfections. The idiom is bad blood. The meaning is angry feeling, enmity, ill feeling, hostility between people, आपसी दुश्मनी. And the example is there has always been bad blood between these families. The next idiom is baker's dozen. The meaning is it refers to a quantity of 13 items. दर्जन में 13, 12 की जगह 13. The example is when someone buys a baker dozen of biscuits, they are purchasing 13 biscuits. The idiom is ball is in your court. The meaning is it is up to you to make the next decision or step. To be responsible for further action. जिम्मेदार होना. The example is you have heard both sides of the argument, so the ball is in your court to decide what to do next. The idiom is be in the red. The meaning is to be in a loss or debt, to owe money to a bank. जितना पैसा कमाया जा रहा है उससे अधिक खर्च करना और देना. The example is the company was already in the red to the extent of more than 1 crore rupees. The idiom is bear a grudge. The meaning is to feel angry against somebody for a past incident. आक्रोश की भावनाएं बनाए रखना. The example is even though the argument was years ago, Gita still bears a grudge against his brother. The idiom is bear fruit. The meaning is produce positive results. सफल होना. The example is some of their research is now bearing fruit and the results are interesting. The idiom is beat around the bush. The meaning is avoiding the main topic, speaking in a roundabout manner, speaking vaguely to avoid talking about it. घुमा फिरा कर बात करना. The example is instead of beating around the bush, let's just be honest and talk about the real problem. The idiom is bell the cat. The meaning is do the impossible task, to face risk, do the most dangerous job. बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांधना, असंभव कार्य करना. The example is no one was ready to bell the cat. The idiom is between a rock and a hard place. The meaning is stuck between two very bad options. आगे कुआं पीछे खाई, दो मुश्किल विकल्पों के बीच फंसना. The example is trying to please two supervisors is like being between a rock and a hard place. The idiom is birds of same feather. The meaning is persons of same character or interests, similar in many ways. एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे, समान चरित्र के लोग. The example is Ram and Shyam are birds of same feather because they both are philanthropists. The idiom is bite of more than one can chew. The meaning is take on more responsibility than one can handle. अपनी क्षमता से अधिक काम लेना. The example is Rahul is exhausted again. He always bites off more than one can chew. The idiom is bite the bullet. The meaning is to force yourself to do something unpleasant, to get something over with because it is inevitable. मजबूरी में स्वीकार करना. The example is I decided I had to bite the bullet and take a couple of English classes even though I knew they were hard. The idiom is bite the dust. The meaning is suffer a defeat to die. धूल चाटना, हार जाना. The example is I hope they don't bite the dust in the competition. The idiom is blow one's own trumpet. The meaning is praise oneself. Talk boastfully about oneself. To boast about their achievements. अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू बनना. खुद की तारीफ खुद करना. The example is he refused to blow his own trumpet and blessingly declined to speak. The idiom is blue in the face. The meaning is wasting your efforts without getting any result, to be exhausted from anger, strain or other great effort. प्रयास करते रहना फिर भी परिणाम न निकलना, या क्रोध, तनाव या अन्य बड़े प्रयास से थक जाना. The example is you can argue until you are blue in the face, but I refuse to go. The idiom is body and soul. The meaning is with all your energy. जी जान से पूरी ताकत के साथ. The example is he dedicated himself body and soul to the education of young men. The idiom is break a leg. The meaning is to wish good luck, perform well, भाग्य साथ होना. The example is you have an exam tomorrow, break a leg. The idiom is broke down. The meaning of this idiom is wept bitterly, cried, टूट जाना. The example of this idiom is he broke down and wept when he heard the news. The idiom is broke in. The meaning of this idiom is to enter a building by force, usually in order to steal something. चोरी के उद्देश्य से बलपूर्वक घर में प्रवेश करना. The example of this idiom is someone had broken in through the bedroom window. The idiom is broke out. The meaning of this idiom is to suddenly start or occur like a fire or disease. फैलना. The example of this idiom is suddenly an argument broke out. The idiom is broke up. The meaning of this idiom is disbanded itself. संबंध तोड़ना. The example of this idiom is their marriage has broken up. Burn the midnight oil. The meaning of this idiom is to work or study till very late in the night. To work very hard. रात दिन एक करना, देर रात्रि तक काम करना. The example of this idiom is she would burn the midnight oil herself when she was at college. Bury the hatchet. The meaning of this idiom is to make peace, to end a quarrel, to settle a dispute peacefully. झगड़ा खत्म करना. The example of this idiom is the two political parties decided to bury the hatchet. Call it a day. The meaning of this idiom is decide or agree to stop doing something. To give up work and go back to home. आज के लिए इतना ही. The example is this package is the last one. Once we get this shipped, we can call it a day. Catch a tartar. The meaning is to deal with someone or something that proves unexpectedly troublesome or powerful. To catch a dangerous person. अपने से बलवान से जा भिड़ना. The example is now that she finally agreed to meet with you, you just might find that you have caught a tartar. Caught in a time warp. The meaning is stuck in an outdated or old-fashioned way of thinking or behaving. पुराने या पिछले समय में फंसा हुआ होना. The example is the government was caught in a time warp. Change hands. The meaning is pass from one person to another. Change of ownership. एक व्यक्ति से दूसरे व्यक्ति के पास. The example is the quality of customer service deteriorated as the company changed hand. Chase rainbows. The meaning is to pursue unrealistic goals. अवास्तविक लक्ष्यों का पीछा करना. The example is I know she wants to become an actor, but I think she should stop chasing rainbows and get an office job. Chew the cud. The meaning of this idiom is contemplating, to think slowly and carefully about something. किसी बात पर विचार करना. The example is It is a place where shooting parties come for lunch, where farmers meet to chew the cud. Chew the fat. The meaning of this idiom is gossip and make small talk. To gossip or have friendly talks. Gappe marna. The example is I could sit and chew the fat with you for hours. Cock of the walk. The meaning is someone who is most important or dominant in a particular group. सबसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति. The example is Danny loved acting the cock of the walk and ordering everyone around. Crocodile tears. The meaning is to pretend to be sympathetic, to pretend grief, false tear. मगरमच्छ के आंसू बहाना, सहानुभूति का नाटक करना. The example is the politician shed crocodile tears over the plight of the poor. Cry over spilt milk. The meaning is to complain about a loss from the past, feeling sorry over a mistake that cannot be changed or rectified. अब पछताए क्या हो जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. बीती बातों पर अफसोस करना. Example is I know you didn't mean to break my phone, so there is no use in crying over spilt milk. Cut corners. The meaning is when something is done badly to save money. सबसे आसान या तेज तरीके से करना. The example is Rohan had a terrible vacation because he cut corners while planning it and was forced to stay in bad hotels. The idiom is cut the crackle. The meaning of this idiom is to stop talking and start working. बात बंद करके काम शुरू करना. The example is cut the crackle and complete your homework. Cut to the chase. The meaning is to start talking about the important aspect of something, getting straight to the point. मुद्दे पर आना. The example is I am a very busy woman, so I need an assistant who can cut to the chase. Cut to the quick. The meaning is hurt intensely. भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाना. Example is his heartless comments cut her to the quick. Dig up dirt on someone. The meaning is discover damaging information about someone. किसी के भेद पता करना. The example is I am really not trying to have a dig at you. I am just trying to give you some constructive feedback. Do a good turn. The meaning is to help someone render a service. किसी की सहायता करना. The example is you did me a good turn, warning me that there was a crocodile in the river. Draw on his fancy. The meaning is to rely on one's imagination or creativity. कल्पना पर निर्भर करना. The example is painters draw on their fancy in their sketches and paintings. Drop a line. The meaning is to send a brief letter or message to someone. किसी को संक्षिप्त संदेश भेजना. The example is drop us a line and we will put your query to our panel of experts. Easier said than done. The meaning is be more easily talked about than put into practice. Not as easy as it appears to be. कहना आसान है और करना मुश्किल. The example is finding a good job is easier said than done. Eat like a bird. The meaning is eat very little, बहुत कम खाना. The example is girls always eat like a bird in order to keep a slender figure. Eats like a horse. The meaning is eats a lot of food. बहुत सारा खाना खाने वाला. The example is she is so thin yet she eats like a horse. End of her rope. The meaning is to be at the limit of one's patience or resources. धैर्य की सीमा. The example is by 6 o'clock after a busy day I am at the end of my rope. Face the music. The meaning is to accept punishment for mistake, get reprimanded, to bear the consequences, accept the blame. किए का परिणाम भुगतना. The example is the authorities had found us out and we were about to face the music. Fair and square. The meaning is to be honest according to rules. ईमानदार. The example is we won the match fair and square. Fair weather friend. The meaning is friends only in good time, supports only when easy and convenient. Swarthi Mittar. The example is you can't rely on Priya. She is strictly a fair weather friend. Feel the pinch. The meaning is having financial problems all of a sudden. पैसे की तंगी आना. The example is Consumers are spending less and traders are feeling the pinch. Finishing line. The meaning is the end point or goal. अंतिम लक्ष्य या समाप्ति रेखा. The example is they crossed the finishing line. Foul play. The meaning is unfair or dishonest behavior. नियम विरुद्ध खेलना. The example is players was warned twice for foul play. Game changer. The meaning is an event or person that significantly changes the course of things. किसी चीज को पूरी तरह से बदलने वाली घटना या व्यक्ति. The example is the hit show has been a game changer for the entertainment industry. Get it in the neck. The meaning is to receive punishment or criticism. आलोचना या सजा मिलना. The example is poor old Rahul got it in the neck for being late. Get one's act together. The meaning is organize your work in a better way. काम को बेहतर तरीके से करना. The example is she's so disorganized, I wish she would get her act together. Get out of hand. The meaning is to become uncontrollable. Get out of control. हाथ से निकलना, बेकाबू होना. The example is his drinking had got out of hand. The idiom is get your act together. The meaning is to organize or improve oneself or one's work. खुद को संभालना. The example is once Ram gets his act together, he will get a raise. Gift of gab. The meaning is ability to speak eloquently, talks well and persuasively, ability to convince, बोलने की कला में माहिर होना. The example is she's got the gift of gab, she should work in sales and marketing. Gnash your teeth. Meaning is express rage, दांत पीसना, गुस्सा होना. The example is the monster roared and gnashed its teeth. Go pear-shaped. The meaning is to go wrong or not as planned. योजना के अनुसार न होना. The example is everything went pear-shaped. Go suck a lemon. The meaning is to tell someone to go away angrily or dismissively. किसी को गुस्से में दूर जाने के लिए कहना. The example is I can't believe you told your teacher to suck a lemon after she yelled at you. Grease someone's palm. The meaning is to bribe discreetly, to bribe someone. रिश्वत देना. The example is I saw you greasing a cop's palm. That's illegal. Green thumb. The meaning is to have a natural interest in gardening. बागवानी में रुचि. The example is with Ram's amazing green thumb, our garden always looks amazing. Hanging by a thread. The meaning is be in a dangerous situation. खतरनाक स्थिति में होना. The example is the patient's life was hanging by a thread. Have a face like thunder. The meaning is very angry. अत्यंत क्रोधित दिखाई देना. The example is he was clearly in a bad mood and had a face like thunder when he arrived. Have an axe to grind. The meaning is a selfish aim or motive. To have an ulterior motive. एक स्वार्थी उद्देश्य होना. अपना उल्लू सीधा करना. The example is I have an axe to grind with the boss. Have one's hands full. The meaning is to be very busy. बहुत व्यस्त रहना. The example is I can't do the job. I have got my hands full at my desk. Head in the clouds. The meaning is to daydream, being absent-minded, cut off from reality, being impractical. दिन में सपने देखना. The example is during the meeting, Priya had her head in clouds and envisioning her upcoming vacation. Head over heels. The meaning is madly in love, being completely in love. प्यार में पागल. The example is Jack fell head over heels in love with Rose and wanted to spend every minute of the day with her. Hell in a handbasket. The meaning is a situation that is rapidly deteriorating or headed for complete disaster. तेजी से बिगड़ती स्थिति. The example is he is convinced that the country is going to hell in a handbasket. Hit the books. The meaning is to study very hard. बहुत मेहनत से पढ़ाई करना. The example is I have to hit the books this weekend. I have 2 exams next week. Hit the grounds running. The meaning is To start something quickly and effectively. तुरंत और प्रभावी ढंग से शुरुआत करना. The example is, as soon as the front office gave its approval for the new department, we hit the ground running. Hit the hay. The meaning is to go to bed. सोने के लिए जाना. The example is, I am exhausted. Time to hit the hay. Hit the nail on the head. The meaning is say or do something exactly right, or to find exactly the right answer. सटीक जवाब देना या बिल्कुल सही होना. The example is, it looks like he hit the nail on the head. Hold someone's feet to the fire. The meaning is to pressure someone to keep a promise or deliver results. किसी व्यक्ति से अपने वादे या दायित्व पूरा करने पर जोर देना. The example is, the management will hold your feet to the fire to ensure that you fulfill the project deadline. Hold your horses. The meaning is be patient, slow down, to restrain oneself. धैर्य रखना. The example is, hold your horses, we aren't ready to leave yet. In a nutshell, the meaning is briefly and concisely, in a short, clear way, to describe in few words. संक्षेप में और सटीक रूप से. The example is, in a nutshell, we want to sell the business to you. In bits and pieces. The meaning is broken or fragmented. टुकड़ों में. The example is, there were broken bits and pieces of glass all over the floor. In cahoots. The meaning is in an alliance or partnership with. साझेदारी में. The example is, a banker and a government minister were in cahoot over a property deal. In cold blood. The meaning is angrily, cruelly, without any emotions, deliberately, निर्दयतापूर्वक. The example is, the crime had been committed in cold blood. In seventh heaven. The meaning is extremely happy, in delight, बेहद खुश. The example is, since they got married, they have been in the seventh heaven. In stitches. The meaning is to be laughing very hard, जोर से हंसी आना. The example is, he was telling jokes at the dinner table that had us all in stitches. In the blues. The meaning is cheerless and depressed, low-spirited, udas. The example is, after seeing the old house in such bad shape, I had the blues for weeks. In the dark. The meaning is in ignorance, to not know something others are aware of. अज्ञानता में होना. The example is, I was in the dark about their plans. In the doldrums. The meaning is in low spirits and despair. उदास या निराश अवस्था में. The example is, I don't know why, but I am in the doldrums today. The idiom is in the same boat. The meaning is in the same unpleasant or difficult situation. एक जैसी कठिन परिस्थिति में होना. The example is, none of us has any money, so we are all in the same boat. It's raining cats and dogs. The meaning is raining extremely heavily, a very heavy downpour. मूसलाधार बारिश होना. The example is, we wanted to play touch football, but now it's raining cats and dogs, so I guess we will stay inside. Ivory towers. एकांत, वास्तविक समस्याओं से दूर. The example is, the good professor has spent too much time in his ivory towers. Jumping through hoops. The meaning is जटिल कामों से होकर गुजरना. The example is, we had to jump through hoops to get my dad admitted to hospital. Keep at arm's length. दूर से सलाम करना, दूरी बनाना. The example is, she had always kept his family at arm's length. Kill two birds with one stone. एक तीर से दो शिकार करना. The example is, cycling to work kills two birds with one stone. It saves money and gives you some exercise. Knock on wood. The meaning is knuckle tapping on wood in order to avoid some bad luck. नजर न लगे. The example is, I have never had an accident yet. Knock on wood. Knuckle down. The meaning is मेहनत करना, ध्यान केंद्रित करना. The example is, you are going to have to really knuckle down if you want to pass your final exams. Leave someone in the lurch. The meaning is बीच मझधार में छोड़ देना. The example is, Reshma was angry enough to quit without giving notice, leaving her boss in the lurch. Let sleeping dogs lie. The meaning is, do not bring up an old controversial issue. To leave things as they are in order to avoid trouble. किसी समस्या को अनदेखा करना क्योंकि इससे निपटने की कोशिश करने से और भी मुश्किल स्थिति पैदा हो सकती है. The example is, it's best to keep your opinion to yourself around him. Just let sleeping dogs lie. Let the cat out of the bag. The meaning is, reveal a secret carelessly or by mistake. भेद खोलना. The example is, Rohan let the cat out of the bag about my surprise birthday party. Like a bat out of hell. The meaning is, very fast or rapid, बहुत तेज गति से. The example is, she ran down the street like a bat out of hell. Like a dying duck in a thunderstorm. The meaning is, dejected, घबराया हुआ. The example is, his day was so bad that he looked like a duck in the thunderstorm by the end of it. Look sharp. The meaning is, pay attention, ध्यान देना. The example is, you would better look sharp if you want to be ready on time. Made a splash. The meaning is, to make a strong impression or create excitement. बहुत धूमधाम से. Example is, Barack Obama made quite a splash when he first ran for president. Melting pot. A place where different cultures, people, or ideas come together. India is often called a melting pot. Neck of woods. Neighborhood. Particularly part of town or country. अपना इलाका या आसपास का परिचित क्षेत्र. The example is, we rarely see now in our neck of woods. 9 days wonder. The meaning is, 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात जो केवल थोड़े समय के लिए हो. The example is, the song was a 9 days wonder. On cloud 9. The meaning is, extremely happy and excited. 7वें आसमान पर अत्यंत प्रसन्न होना. The example is, I have been on cloud 9 ever since I landed my dream job. On the attack. The meaning is, actively trying to defeat or take control. आक्रामक रुख में. The example is, the soldiers were on the attack. On the back foot. The meaning is, कमजोर स्थिति में होना. The example is, the prime minister is usually excellent under pressure, but today she was on the back foot. On the ball. The meaning is, चौकन्ना होना. The example is, the mother is glad to know that her son is always on the ball to learn new things in class. On the top of world. The meaning is, बहुत खुश या सफल महसूस करना. The example is, she was on top of the world after she won the first prize. Once in a blue moon. The meaning is, ईद का चांद, कभी कभार. The example is, my sister lives in Germany, so I only see her once in a blue moon. Out of spirits. The meaning is, gloomy or sad, उत्साहहीन. The example is, my brother is out of spirits today as his team has lost the match. Play devil's advocate. The meaning is, to argue the opposite just for the sake of argument. विपरीत तर्क करना. The example is, my role in the campaign is to play devil's advocate to each new policy before it's introduced to the public. Pressed into service. किसी काम के लिए मजबूर होना. The example is, retired doctors and nurses were pressed into service to help care for the wounded. Pull someone's leg. किसी की टांग खींचना, मजाक उड़ाना. The example is, I think he was just pulling your leg when he said you have failed in the exam. Pulled the rug out. सहारा छीन लेना. The example is, do you sometimes just have the feeling that someone is trying to pull the rug from under your feet? Put on ice. The meaning is, to postpone something. किसी योजना को स्थगित करना. The example is, both projects are on ice until the question of the funding is resolved. Raise a few eyebrows. The meaning is, something which surprises, shocks, or offends people. The example is, Neha's brother raised an eyebrow when she told him she was moving to Dubai to pursue acting. Read between the lines. The meaning is, छिपा हुआ अर्थ समझना, अन्य कहे भाव को समझना. The example is, she said she could afford it, but reading between the lines, I don't think she has enough money. rest on one's laurels, to be satisfied with your achievements and not to make an effort to do anything else, to retire from active life. The example is the company can't just sit back and rest on its laurels. We have to move on to something new. Risk one's neck. The meaning is to take a dangerous or risky action. अपनी जान को जोखिम में डालना. The example is I would never risk my neck on a sport like skydiving. Run errands. The meaning is छोटे मोटे काम करना. The example is she is in a hurry because she has a lot of errands to run. Run out of steam. The meaning is उत्साह खत्म होना. The example is I decided to paint the bathroom ceiling but ran out of steam halfway through. Shallow brooks are noisy. The meaning is जो लोग कम जानते हैं वही ज़्यादा बोलते हैं. The example is of course silly old aunt Reshma babbles constantly. Shallow brooks are noisy. Show the white feather. कायरता दिखाना. The example is to show the white feather was a disgrace worse than death. Sit on fence. The meaning is to remain neutral or to refuse to take sides in a dispute. Halting between two opinions. The example is you can't sit on the fence any longer. You have to decide whose side you are on. Sour grapes. The meaning is किसी चीज़ को न पाने पर आलोचना करना. The example is he always mock sports car as being really impractical, but it's just sour grapes if you ask me. Spill the beans. The meaning is अनजाने में भेद खोल देना. The example is she spilled the beans about her sister's engagement before it was announced. Square meal. The meaning is पूरा और संतुलित भोजन. The example is you need a good square meal. Square peg in a round hole. The meaning is bay male, a misfit in the environment. The example is she felt like a square peg in a round hole at the new school until she made some new friends. Stand in one's own light. अपने हित के विरुद्ध कार्य करना. The example is no one tarnished his reputation. It was him that stood in his own light. Straight from the horse mouth. The meaning is विश्वसनीय सूत्रों से. The example is I don't believe it that she did it. I am going to go to ask her and hear it straight from the horse's mouth. Sweep it under the rug. The meaning is समस्या को छिपाना या नज़रअंदाज करना. The example is the committee is being accused of sweeping financial problems under the rug to avoid embarrassment. Take it easy. The meaning is आराम से रहना. The example is the doctor told her she should take it easy for a while. Take the bull by the horns. The meaning is साहसपूर्वक मुसीबतों का सामना करना. The example is we decided to take the bull by the horns and go to the court instead of paying the fine. Talked over. The meaning is विचार विमर्श करना. The example is he always talked things over with his friends. The last straw. The meaning is समस्याओं की एक श्रृंखला में अंतिम समस्या जो किसी को धैर्य खोने का कारण बनती है. The example is she has been unhappy with him for a long time, but when he crashed her car, it was the last straw. The tip of an iceberg. The meaning is बड़ी समस्या की छोटी सी झलक. And the example is these small local protests are just the tip of the iceberg. Through thick and thin. The meaning is हर हाल में. The example is my best friend has supported me through thick and thin. Throw in the towel. The meaning is हार मान लेना. The example is after losing the election, he threw in the towel on his political career. Thrown out of gear. The meaning is गड़बड़ होना, out of order or not functioning properly. The example is the accident in the main road threw traffic out of gear in that area. Tipping our hands. The meaning is इरादों को जाहिर करना. The example is Vijay is being extra cautious. He hasn't tipped his hand about who he is going to vote for. To accept the gauntlet. चुनौती स्वीकार करना. The example is he is always eager to accept the gauntlet when it comes to civil rights issues, to be on pins and needles. The meaning is बेचैन होना. The example is Rohan was on pins and needles waiting to hear about her job application, to blow hot and cold. The meaning is अस्थिर होना, किसी एक बात पर कायम न रहना, निरंतर परिवर्तित रहना. The example is he has been blowing hot and cold about the trip to Europe. To bring to light. The meaning is उजागर करना. The example is the newspaper story brought the problem to light. To clear the decks. The meaning is बाधाओं को हटाना. The example is let us clear the decks and then we can start cooking dinner. To eat a humble pie. The meaning is नाक रगड़ना, हार मानना. The example is the lawyer had to eat humble pie in the court because the facts he presented were wrong. To explore every avenue. The meaning is हर संभव अवसर ढूंढना. The example is we have explored every avenue but it all seems in vain. To get cold feet. The meaning is घबराहट होना. The example is I was going to try bungee jumping but I got cold feet. To hit the sack. The meaning is सोने की तैयारी करना. The example is I have got to get up early tomorrow so I am going to hit the sack. To jump on the bandwagon. The meaning is बहती गंगा में हाथ धोना, लोकप्रिय प्रवृत्तियों को अपनाना. The example is many farms are jumping on the bandwagon and advertising organically grown food. To look black. The meaning is स्थिति खराब लगना. The example is the future looked blacked after he dropped out of school. To pay off old scores. The meaning is बदला लेना. The example is Rishabh was satisfied as he had paid off old scores by beating Rohan. To run amok. The meaning is to suddenly start behaving violently, especially in a public place. The example is there were 50 little kids running amok at the snack bar. To take someone for ride. The meaning is किसी को बेवकूफ़ बनाना या छल करना. The example is when he didn't return with my money, I realized I had been taken for a ride. To turn a deaf ear. The meaning is कान पर जूं तक न रेंगना, सुनी अनसुनी कर देना. The example is you can plead all day but he is turning a deaf ear to everyone. Tongue in cheek. The meaning is अव्यंग्यपूर्वक या मजाक में. The example is that remark was made tongue in cheek. Tuck in. The meaning is खाने की शुरुआत करना या व्यवस्थित तरीके से मोड़ना. The example is she told the boy to tuck in his shirt. Turn against. The meaning is किसी के विरुद्ध हो जाना. The example is she turned against her best friend. Turned out. The meaning is परिणाम निकलना. The example is the movie turned out to be a success. Under a cloud. The meaning is शक के दायरे में होना. The example is the cabinet minister left office under a cloud after a fraud scandal. Under the weather. The meaning is बीमार होना. And the example is sorry that I can't go to your birthday party. I am feeling under the weather. Up to the mark. The meaning is अच्छी हालत में. The example is your grammar is not quite up to the mark. Walking on air. The meaning is खुशी से पैर जमीन पर न पड़ना, बहुत खुश होना. The example is after the delivery of her baby, she was walking on air. When pigs fly. The meaning is ऐसा जो कभी नहीं हो सकता. The example is I have already told you I will learn to dance when pigs can fly. White elephant. The meaning is महंगा और परेशानी का स्रोत. The example is the new office block has become an expensive white elephant. The idiom is wild goose chase. The meaning is a worthless hunt or chase, futile search, unprofitable adventure. The example is the search proved to be a wild goose chase. With a silver lining. निराशा में भी आशा की झलक होती है. The example is if there is a silver lining to losing my job, it is that I will now be able to go to school full time and finish my degree earlier. Worn and torn. The meaning is घिस पिस कर टूट जाना. The example is this cooler will last for years, but signs of wear and tear show in the form of dents and scrapes.